Hello, Om, Pranam. I'm Dr. Vimal Saxena and welcoming you on my channel wherein we are trying to find out the solutions of the problems which are related to your health, which are related to the eating habits, the lifestyle, with the help of Ashtanga Yoga. So in today's video, we will be discussing one of the major issues with many people nowadays, and those issues which are related to your digestive issues. Whatever you are eating, if it is not getting digested, if your gut has got or does not have good bacteria to digest the food, it's of no use. So in today's asana, we will try to learn one asana which will help us with all of our digestive issues. Yes, so the asana is Vakrasana, which is also known as twisted pose. As our practice, let's first try to understand the benefit, the contraindications, the process, and of course, the demonstration of how the asana to be done. So, if I talk about the benefits of Vakrasana, the twisted pose, it helps you to strengthen your core. It helps you in eradicating or helping out to solve the digestive issues. It also helps you in improving your lower back strength. It also helps you in creating flexibility in your body. It also helps you in your shoulder issues, in your neck issues. With these many issues, you have got one solution, that is Vakrasana. Of course, who should do it, who should not do it, the contraindications of this asana. So those who have got the spondylosis, they should not do this asana. Those who have got any kind of surgery in their stomach, hernia and all, they should not perform this asana. Pregnant ladies should not do this asana, and ladies during their menstruation period should not do this asana. So if you are performing this asana by keeping these contraindications in the mind, this asana will be very much beneficial for you to take care of your digestive system and maintaining your core. Let's do the demonstration now. So to perform this asana, first we need to sit in the Dandasana position, the stuff pose, wherein your legs are straight, your hands are near to your body. The first step is you need to, let's say I'm starting with the left leg, so bend your left leg as and keep it as close to your body. Now as you have bent the left leg, the left hand will go up, so breathe in, breathe out, and sit with the support of your hand. This is the half of the posture. Now breathe in, right hand, cross your knee and try to twist. So you will see a bit of pressure here at your core, the lower back, abdomen. A bit of twisting. Do it in a way that you should have your chest coming completely up. So there are variations. You can go and touch the knee, look towards the back. Hold it as per your capacity. 5 seconds, 10 seconds. You can start with 10 seconds. As you gain the confidence, you can improve your timing. When I'm coming back, and right hand, left hand coming to the position, legs straight. See how easy this is with a lot of benefits. Remember in the earlier videos also we have discussed that whenever you do any asana with the single side, you should maintain a balance, do it from the both sides. So this we did with the left leg. Let's try to do from the right side. Now bending the right leg, try to keep it as close as your body. Take your right hand up, breathe in, breathe out, sit with the support. Make sure it should not be way back or should not be so close to the body. It should be at a distance which can help you to comfortably sit. Now take your left hand up, breathe in, breathe out, twist, Try to touch your knee. Simple. Look back, hold. Try to maintain the balance. If you have hold it for 20 seconds, when you did it from the left leg, try to do it for 20 seconds with the right leg. Slowly. Breathe in, breathe out. Right hand, leg straight. See how simple it is. But remember, when you are doing, you must remember the contraindications. Those who should not do it. Labh and Savdhaniya. If you do any asan and or perform any asan by keeping these things in the mind, it definitely benefits you. So this was about Vakrasan, the twisted pose, which is very much beneficial for your core, for your digestive system, for your internal organs like your pancreas, like your intestine, for the health of these internal organs. This twisted pose is very much beneficial. All right, so now this is the time for the tip of the day. So today, as we are discussing about the digestive systems, and we all know it is in trouble just because of our eating habits. So you perform this asana, of course, do some exercises, do the yoga asana, do the practice of yoga asana, but along with that, a small change. As the motto of this discussion is bringing this small change in your lifestyle. If you will bring this small over the period of time with consistency, you will feel the difference in your body. So the tip of the day is that at least one meal in a day you should eat for your health. Let's start with this. Most of the time we eat food for our taste buds. Okay, you can continue at least one meal, but at least one meal has to be strictly for your health. You should not eat excess sugar, carbohydrates, or whatsoever. Small change. Let's start with the small change. And drink a lot of water in a day. This was our tip of the day. This was the session which was all about Vakrasan, the twisted pose, which can help you to be healthy by keeping your guts healthy. Thank you very much for watching this video. Like and subscribe if you like this video. I'll be coming up with more such simple asanas, simple ways to change in our lifestyle to be healthy in our life. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks. Om Pranam.